In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master timeline in Asana. This process will help streamline your project management tasks, giving you a clear overview of what lies ahead for your team. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you have an account, simply click on Login and access your dashboard. In case you're new to Asana, not to worry, you can get started by clicking Try for free and follow the simple steps to create an account. Once you're on your dashboard, the journey to creating your master timeline begins. Next, you'll want to create a new project. Open Asana if it's not open yet, and find the plus button situated in the left sidebar. Clicking on this will allow you to start a fresh project. Here's where you set the foundation of your timeline. Choose Timeline as your preferred project view. While you can start with a blank project or even a template, selecting the timeline view will allow you to visualize tasks against a time frame right from the start. It's time to give your project a name, something that clearly identifies its purpose, like master timeline. Also, ensure you select the correct workspace and project settings that align with your team's operations. This step configures your project environment, setting up the stage for efficient task tracking. With your project set up, it's time to fill it with details. Begin by clicking Add Task to start compiling your timeline's tasks. For each task, make sure to include comprehensive details such as clear titles, due dates, assigned team members, and any pertinent details that give context to the task. This clarity upfront makes it easier for everyone involved to understand what needs to be done and by when. To mark significant accomplishments, utilize milestones. These are excellent for indicating crucial points in your project journey, helping you and your team to stay focused on big picture goals. With tasks and milestones in place, you're ready to assign start and end dates. Set these dates carefully for each task, considering their duration and the overall project timeline. Many projects have tasks that rely on the completion of others. In Asana, you can manage such dependencies by selecting a task and locating the dependencies section. Link related tasks to ensure the smooth progression of work. Now let's keep things organized. Group your tasks into sections such as in progress or completed. This organizational step is invaluable for maintaining a clear overview. You can easily create sections by clicking on Add Section at the top of your task list. One of the benefits of Asana is flexibility. Should things change, such as shifting priorities or unexpected delays, you can adjust tasks by simply dragging and dropping them on the timeline. This feature ensures your timeline remains relevant and up to date. Finally, collaboration is key. Share your newly crafted timeline with your team. This transparency ensures everyone is aligned. By assigning tasks and setting notifications, you keep everyone informed and engaged. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a master timeline in Asana. By following these steps, you're well equipped to manage your projects more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy planning.